Good morning, students. The exercise 2.2, the question number 4. Find the product using properties. The first question, 738 into 103. The question is, find the product using properties. You have already studied the properties. The proper commutative property, associative property, closure property, distributive property also. In the previous class you have already studied. Okay. We have to do problems. The first question, 738 into 103. 738 into 103. We have to split this number, 103. That means 103 is equal to 100 plus 3. 100 plus 3 is 103. Okay. How to write 100 plus 3. Okay. Then you have to multiply 738 into 100 plus 738 into 3. Understood? 738 into 100. Then which sign? Plus. Then 738 into 3. Okay. We have to use, which property we have to use? Distributive property. That means you have to write in the side using distributive property. Then equal to 738 into 100. That means 738 into how many zeros? Puts how many zeros? 2 zeros. That means 738 into 100 is answer is 73,800 plus then 738 into 3. You multiply into 3. 8 3s are 24, 2, 3 3s are 9, 10, 11, 1, then remainder 1, 7 3s are 21, plus 1, 22. Okay, you got the answer. Then you write this 2214. Then you have add these two numbers. Okay. Seven 3 8 00 plus 2 2 1 4 4 1 8 plus 2 10 plus 1 4 5 6 7. The answer is 7614. That means 76,014. Next question, C. 258 into 1008. How to multiply? Using properties. 258 into 1008. How? We have to write 1008 is equal to 1000 plus 8. Is it correct? Okay. Then 1000 plus 8. Okay. Then using distributive property, we have to multiply 238 into 1000. 258 into 1000. Then which sign? Plus. Then 258 into 8. 258 into 8. Okay. You have to write using distributive property. Okay. Then is equal to 258 into 1000. What's the answer? 258 into how we put how many zeros? 3 zeros. 258 into 1000 plus then next 258 into 8. How to multiply? 258 into 8. Okay. Then 8 8s are 64, 4, 6. 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 6, 46. Then 6. Then remainder 4. Then 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 4, 20. Then write 20. Okay. We got 2064 is equal to, then we add these numbers. Two, 5, 8, 0, 0. Then next number 4, 6, 0, 2. 4, 0 plus 4, 4. 0 plus 6, 6. 0 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 2, 10. 6, 2. Answer is 26006. Question number 5. A taxi driver filled his car tank with 40 liters of petrol on Monday. What's the meaning of first line? The taxi driver filled his car tank with 40 liters of petrol on Monday. The Monday, how much quantity of petrol he filled? How much quantity of petrol filled? 40 liters. On Monday, he filled 40 liters. Monday, 40 liters. Then, next line, the next day he filled the tank with 50 liters of petrol. The next day means Tuesday. The Tuesday, he filled the tank with 50 liters of petrol. The next day he filled 50 liters. Okay. Understood? The Monday he filled 40 liters. Tuesday he filled 50 liters. Then next line, if the petrol costs rupees 44 per liter. That means the per liter means the 1 liter how much cost? 44. Per liter means the 1 liter. That means 1 liter is equal to rupees 44. Okay. The question is how much he spent in all on petrol. पेट्रोल के लिए कितना पैसा? How much did he spent in all on petrol? 1 लीटर के लिए हम लोग को मालूम है 1 लीटर is equal to rupees 44. Okay. The first step is the quantity of petrol filled on Monday. Quantity of petrol filled on Monday 40 liter. The quantity of petrol filled on Tuesday 50 liter. The total quantity of petrol filled. पूरा कितना पेट्रोल फिल किया? Monday 40 plus 50. 40 plus 50 लीटर. ओके, कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 लीटर पेट्रोल. 1 लीटर पेट्रोल के लिए कितने है? ₹44. दैट मीन्स टोटल मनी स्पेंट. दैट मीन्स टोटल मनी स्पेंट इज इक्वल टू पूरा कितना है पेट्रोल? 40 प्लस 50 इंटू 1 लीटर के लिए कितने पैसे? 44. ओके, वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई यूजिंग डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी. देन 40 प्लस 50 90 प्लस 44. 90 plus 44. 0 plus 4, 4. Then 9 plus 4, 9 plus 1, 10 plus 3, 13. Total money spent is equal to 1 liter petrol 44 into how much petrol filled? 40 plus 50. Okay, the 44 into 40 plus 50, 40 plus 50. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 4, 9. 90. Okay. So which sign? Sorry, which sign? Into. Okay, then you have to multiply. Then we have to multiply 44 into 9, then put 1 0. Okay, then multiply 44 into 9. 9 fours are 36. 6. 3 is the remainder. Then 9 fours are 36. Then plus 3. 36 plus 3, 39. Okay, have got 396. Then put 1 0. Then 3,960. What? Petrol? No. Rupees 3,960. Total money spent 3,960. Seventh question. Match the following. 425 into 136 is equal to 425 into 6 plus 30 plus 100. Which property? In the question, the three properties are given. The commutative with under multiplication, commutative under addition, distributive of multiplication over addition. Which property? It's not a commutative. That means the 425 into 136. This number is split into 100 plus 30, 100 plus 30 plus 6. Then you have to multiply. This which property you have used? Distributive. Distributive of multiplication over addition. The C is the answer. Distributive of multiplication over addition. Okay, understood? Then second question, 2 into 49 into 50 is equal to 2 into 50 plus 49. Okay, same numbers are there. Yeah, yes, change the order is changed. That means A plus B plus C is equal to C plus B plus A. This type of property. That means commutative. Commutative over which operation multiplication. That means commutative under multiplication. Okay. Then next, see, 80 plus 2005 plus 20. 80 plus 20 plus 2005. That means the order, change the order. That means commutative. Commutative under which operation? Addition. That means the commutative under addition. The answer is B.